inch by inch, anything's a cinch, including supersizing and growing your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today, our expression is inch by inch, everything's a cinch. And there's a lot of quotes around this: yard by yard, life is hard; inch by inch, life's a cinch; mile by mile, life's a trial. And this is credited to John, not Jim, I was going to say Jim. John, by the way, he is a professor. He's about 60 years old, I think. He's a professor, author, favorite speaker, and part-time instructor at Brigham Young University, of course, in Utah. And he has a lot of wise sayings. He's a motivational speaker. And that means this idiom's not that old, right? But what it tells us to do and reminds us to do is to take big tasks, big goals. We're focusing on getting our goals this year, and this year's annual Get Your Goals Challenge. We're doing one thing every day to get what we want. And part of that is we've identified our own goal process for this challenge. And so the last few days of every month, we talk about what's our most important goal in a specific area of the life framework that we use. And this month is all about relationships. Guess what? Building our businesses is all about relationships. And building relationships usually takes some effort and some energy and some communication and us putting things into the relationship for the relationship to grow. So we have trust, and we are working with people both within and outside of our organization that help us to grow and build and supersize our business. I'm just curious today, have you used this expression? I don't know that I've said inch by inch, life's a cinch ever, but I like the visual that it calls up. I think we can all relate to breaking big things down into steps and process steps. So do you have a process and a way in your organization for breaking big projects, big things down so that you can supersize and grow your business? I know I do. Curious what yours is. Share in the comments below, and I will of course be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have an awesome day. I'll be with you tomorrow.